Did you know there's a planet where it rains diamonds or a moon with a hidden ocean beneath its icy crust? Our solar system is full of surprises. Let's explore 7 of the most amazing facts about it. From scorching hot gas giants to icy dwarfs, our cosmic neighborhood is stranger and more wondrous than you might imagine. If you're curious about the universe, hit that subscribe button now for more fascinating discoveries. Don't forget to like and share your favorite fact in the comments below. Imagine stepping onto a planet where the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. That's Venus, our closest planetary neighbor. While most planets spin counterclockwise, Venus rotates clockwise. One theory suggests a cataclysmic collision in the early solar system might have knocked it off its original axis. Another posits that the gravitational pull of its thick atmosphere combined with the sun's tidal forces gradually caused its spin to reverse. Venus's backward spin contributes to its incredibly long days, which actually last longer than its years. Jupiter, the king of our solar system, boasts a storm so large it could swallow Earth whole. This crimson behemoth, known as the Great Red Spot, has been raging for centuries. Scientists believe the storm is fueled by Jupiter's internal heat and rapid rotation, whipping up unimaginable wind speeds. While the Great Red Spot has been shrinking, it remains a captivating spectacle, a swirling vortex of mystery in the vastness of space. The Sun, our very own star, is a giant ball of burning plasma, a colossal furnace that governs the motions of every planet, moon, and asteroid in our solar system. Imagine over 1 million Earths lined up like marbles in the vast cosmic playground. That's how many Earths you could fit inside the Sun. The Sun's gravity holds our solar system together, keeping everything in its orbital dance. Next time you feel the Sun's warmth, remember the immense power of this celestial giant, a star that drives the very existence of life as we know it. Saturn, the ringed jewel of our solar system, is a sight to behold. Imagine a planet adorned with a breathtaking system of rings, a cosmic halo that stretches tens of thousands of miles wide. These rings are composed of billions of individual particles, ranging in size from tiny grains of sand to massive chunks of ice and rock. These particles are thought to be remnants of comets, asteroids, or shattered moons, captured by Saturn's immense gravity. As they orbit, they collide and interact, creating intricate patterns and gaps within the rings. The rings of Saturn are a testament to the beauty and chaos of the universe. In the frigid depths of our solar system lies Neptune, a blue giant cloaked in swirling clouds of methane. This distant world is home to the most extreme winds in our solar system, with gusts that can reach over 1,200 miles per hour. These supersonic winds are thought to be driven by the planet's internal heat, creating powerful atmospheric currents. Neptune's fierce winds remind us that even in the furthest reaches of our solar system, there are forces at work that dwarf anything we experience on Earth. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, is a truly alien world. Encapsulated by an atmosphere thicker than Earth's, Titan is home to a landscape both familiar and strange. Imagine rivers and lakes, but instead of water, they flow with liquid methane. These methane seas and lakes create a cycle eerily similar to Earth's water cycle, with methane rain falling from the sky, forming rivers and lakes, and even evaporating back into the atmosphere. This bizarre world hints at the possibility of life existing in forms we can scarcely imagine. Though demoted to dwarf planet status, Pluto still holds a special place in our hearts. This distant world, once thought to be a barren wasteland, surprised us with its diverse and complex features. Imagine a heart-shaped glacier the size of Texas and Oklahoma combined, etched into Pluto's surface. Pluto's icy heart and potential subsurface ocean remind us that even the smallest, most distant worlds can hold incredible surprises. From Venus's backward spin to Pluto's icy heart, our solar system is a treasure trove of wonders. Every planet, moon, and asteroid holds secrets waiting to be unlocked. Which fact surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you loved exploring with us today, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more amazing space discoveries. The universe is full of wonders, and our journey of discovery has just begun.